I'm working within Canva, and in a lot of video editing apps this is called a freeze frame. Canva I cannot see has got any freeze frame, so what you can do, down the bottom here I've got the snipping tool. What you do is you place your where you want the split, your cursor, do a right click, then split page, and then if I go down to the snipping tool, I can make a snip like I have done earlier, and then I can go to uploads, upload a file, and then look for my documents, pictures, screenshots, it might be in there. There it is. And so then I've got a 5-second clip in there. If I want it, so if you're doing a chat over the video, like I'm going to say, go down to right hand corner, tap on settings, and in WhatsApp you go to create a custom list. I've got long enough to say what I want to say, so then it retracts in, and I can say you add your people in there, and so you can create your split, your freeze part of in Canva effortlessly, or fairly effortlessly. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more, or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.